Hi everyone and welcome to the channel. So today in this video I will explain how you can update the records in Salesforce using the quick actions. So using the quick actions you can update the selected fields of a specific object. So first let me show you a demo quick action that I have created for the account object. So right now I am on the object manager tab in my org, and here in the account object I will show you the quick action that I have created. So here in the object setup of account I will go to the lightning buttons, links and action, and here in the list of button links and action. So this is the quick action that I have created to edit or update the account fields that are industry, phone and website. So using the quick actions we can select the fields that we generally need to update. So with this we don't need to open the whole record page in the edit mode. We can just select few fields in the layout of the quick action that we need to update. So let me show you how this quick action works. So for that I will navigate to the accounts tab, and here in the accounts tab I will open any of the account record, and here in this account record page you can see this quick action update main info, and as I click on this it will show me the fields that I've added for this specific quick action to update these fields. So here the required field is account name, that is the name of the object record, and here I have added the fields website, description and phone. And after updating the values, as I click on the save button, the record will be updated, and you can see the updated values in the account record. So this is how the quick action is working, that you don't need to open the whole record page in the edit mode. You can just select a set of fields that you want to update, and by calling this quick action you can update those fields. So let's see how we can create this quick action. So to create the quick action we will navigate to the object manager tab, and if you want to create the quick action for any of the standard or custom object, then the process will be the same. So let's say this time we are going to use the opportunity object. So here I will click on the opportunity object, and here we will go to button links and actions. Here click on the button new action. So here we need to define the quick action. So here the action type will be update a record, and then we have to select the label. So either you can select the label from the list of standard labels, or if you want to enter the custom label then you can write it over here in the label field. So I'm going to label it as update opportunity info, and the name here will be autofill. So this will be the API name of this quick action, and the description I'm going to add here is, so first in the fields and relationships of the opportunity I will see what fields we can add in the quick action to update. So we will take amount, close date and description. So here I will write description as update amount, close date and description. And after entering the required details we will click on the save button, and as we click on the save button, on the next window you will see these are the fields that you can include in the page layout. So as we have mentioned these fields in the description, so they are already mentioned over here, that is close date and the amount. And here also we can see the required field, that is the opportunity stage. So either you can remove the value from here, from this remove icon, or you can also add the fields you want to update from the list. So for that you have to simply drag it to the canvas region of the custom quick action. For example, I want to add the field alternate address, so I will drag it over here, and after adding the fields to the layout of the quick action, click on the save button. So as of now we have created the quick action, and now to make this action accessible to the users and to edit on the record page, we have to edit the page layout. So for that, go to the page layout of the object for which you have created the quick action, and here select the default page layout, and now in the opportunity layout click on mobile and lightning actions, and then here you will see the quick action that we have created. So we will drag the update opportunity info to the section Salesforce mobile and lightning actions. So after adding the quick action to the section Salesforce mobile and lightning experience, We will click on the save button, and now I will go to the opportunities tab, and here I will select any of the opportunity record. So here in the opportunity record page, you can see the quick action that we have created for the opportunity object. And as I click on this quick action button, it will show me the fields that I have added in the layout of the quick action. So here you can see the opportunity name, related account name, close date, stage, amount, alternate address, and the next step. So from here you can update the values, and after this I will click on the save button, and here you can see the values are updated, and you can also see the updated values in the fields of the record. So this is how you can update the object records in Salesforce using the quick actions. And I hope that you have liked this video. Then please do like, share and subscribe us, and do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you can get regular updates of our upcoming videos. And thank you for giving your time and watching this video till last. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.